Ready for your cake, Mango?
Hello?
Here we go. It's just cake, buddy. Birthday twin meltdown.
Ready, Sky? Look, it looks just like you. I'm gonna take a little piece. Here we go. Hey, it's just cake. Sky, wait, it's okay. You silly bird.
It's mine. Bounce to the beat in the morning ray. Flap little wings and we dance away. Shiny white kitty with spots of black. I'm the orange spark, no turning back. Hop, hop, sunny top, feet go tap and tail goes.
All right, play nice, you two. Oop, he warned you. Truce?
Oh, friend. Oh, you okay, sleepy kitty? Oh, love you. Oh. I love cat. 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 I love cat.
Be gentle, Milo. Sweet Pea's not afraid at all. Oh, you two are too cute.
That's his tail, Kiwi. Be gentle. Careful now. Okay, that's enough. Silly bird.
Oh, look at that. He's letting her hold his paw. Gentle little pecks. Oh, they're so sweet together.
Hey, be nice. Oh, poor kitty, you're relentless.
Whoa, look at those moves. Okay, cuddle break. Cuddle break.
You startled each other.
Oh, no, he's not letting you up, buddy. Oh, nope, face stomp. You'd think you'd learn by now. Captain Red wins again.
No stomping, mister. You be nice. Gentle, gentle. Poor baby.
Are you a cat too, Pepper?
Wow.
That is so weird.
He's even convincing you, huh?
Wow.
Hey, gentle.
Hey, Kiwi, that's his toy. Poor buddy, he looks so confused.
Oh, he got you under there. You're still friends, huh?
Whoa! You okay, buddy?
He landed like a superhero.
You sure did.
What's that, huh? Gonna get you. Oh! Booped you right on the noggin. You gonna fight it or just yell at it?
You comfy back there, Mr. Whiskers? Good, hang on, it's a big hill. Ew, lick attack. Almost there, buddy.
Alright, go on. Reach for it. There you go. Up you go. Got it? Hold on tight. That's my guy.
Massage time, huh? Oh, gentle there. I guess I'm your pillow now.
Ready, Captain? Alright, here we go.
Smooth ride, buddy. That's a good boy.
Come on, big stretch. You can reach it. Almost. Oh, nice standing. Good job, buddy. You're so tall now. All right, you earned it.
Hey, Gingy, you adventurer. Ready to come down? Yeah, come on. I've got you. Step right here. Good girl. Nice and easy. There we go. Onto the shoulder. Yep, up you come. There you go.
You watching me, huh? All right, all right. Here's a little bit. Patience, partner. There you go. Don't tell the dog.
Oh, what are you two up to?
Hey.
What is it, buddy? Oh, you just wanted some love. Demanding little guy. Alright, you can stay right there.